So that's the tacker. Moving on outside to filter water again. This is outside the back. Okay, this is the back. Wow, it's super many. Oh, the snow's all gone. Well, here's Tess and Flower, and now Chloe. And Daystar, she's such a cutie. But yeah, this is the barnyard. And here's a pony who is sniffing the camera. There's another pony. I don't know how should I react to this. Just like, I don't know what to feel. Anyway. Where's Chloe? There's Chloe. They still have hay left. Chloe, come here. Come here, Chloe. Come here. Hey, Chloe. Guys, be nice to Chloe. She's cute. Alright, I'm gonna go to Daystar. She's a follower. It's hilarious. Guys, be nice. Sorry, Chloe. Here's my baby. Don't. Daystar's scared of her, which is really sad, but Tess is scared of her, which is really nice, because whenever I'm with Daystar, she comes up and then, ta-da, instant friendship. They're so cute. Yay, I've got some followers. Okay, taking a detour. Yeah, they're not following me anymore. They are. She is. Hi, baby. Come on, guys. Let's go to the backfields. Somebody's coming. Come on, Flower. Somebody else is coming. And the third's coming. And Chloe's just chilling. Okay. These fields, I should say. Okay, open this gate. Oh, okay. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Whoa, that's heavy. Stop pushing it. No. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Oy. They're excited to go back there. Yay. They're happy. Chloe, you want to go back there? Come on, Chloe. They're happy ponies. And Daystar, she's like, just don't get out of the photos. Chloe. Hey, be nice. Alright, I'm going down to the last field. I don't know about y'all. Let's go. Come on, Flower. Flower. Come on, Flower. There's two ways to the backfield now. But anyway, we're going this way. And Flower's coming. Yay! I've got a follower. So this is this way to the last field we have. And it's pretty dang big, but it floods so much. So we can't really do much with it down there. So I hate this path. It's like death. Okay. Someone did suggest building an arena, like flattening up the ground up there, but it would be very hard because it's all rocky. I mean, if it's for something small, you can probably do it, which is what my mom wants to do. She wants to build a cabin up there for my brother when he goes hunting. So, Daystar! Come here! Sorry, she's all the way up there. Daystar! She's looking, but she's like, I don't want to go down. Daystar! You're gonna miss all the fun. Okay, bye. Alright, so this is the last field. It's so big. It's so snowy. Yay! There's snow. Okay, that's the other way. We had to get wood from the mountains. And my brother had to take down some of the fence to get back here with the van. Our van. Usually he goes that way down, but he didn't want to do it this time because it's a really steep hill over there. Oh, she looks so cute. So he took that way down. Our property goes up this mountain, down that mountain, and up the next, and it stops right there. And High Point State Park is actually right back there if anybody knows where that is. So moving on. Ponies. Okay. Whew. It's a long walk up. So this is the way my brother created. Oh look, she's coming, sort of. She's happy to be back here. Alright, I need to take off the blanket sometime. This is one of the other fields, which I was up there in. So, going back up to show you Daystar's favorite spot. Oh, she loves this spot when she's back here. She always stands over there. She actually has two back here, but one she likes more than the other. Look at her, she's so cute. She's so cute. So cute. She's like, don't videotape me. I don't look good. I don't look good. There, all the way down there. But guys, look how cute she is. Turn the camera, but look how cute she is. Now she's walking away. But yeah, she's so cute. She's so cute. Look at her. Oh, okay. Moving on. Whew. I have like 3 minutes left to do this, so I got this. Aw, she's so cute. This is the other field. We actually have a horse, 2 horses buried back here. One was not ours. One of them belonged to the owner of Maze, who I talked about earlier. This right here is where we buried one of our horses, previous horses. It's actually my uncle's, but he was like our horse because we had him with us for like the longest time. This is Daystar's favorite spot to stand, right here. I even have, she's such a stalker. I even have a photo of her. I was crouching right here and looking up, and I got a cute photo of her. So that's a hole. It's been there forever, and nobody's filled it up yet. I mean, we threw rocks in it, but obviously didn't do any good. But yeah, we go sledding down this hill. It's so much fun because you land right into those ditches. Best thing ever. Look at her. She's such a stalker. I see you looking at me. Just wait for it. Just go look again. As soon as I move. Ta-da! Told you. Predicted it. She's so predictable. I don't know that one. There. Okay. So yeah, that's my farm. That. And up there. Nothing really that interesting in the front yard. Just fences and all that good junk. So yeah, that's it. Hope you all enjoyed this farm tour. I'll end it on them walking up. Come on, Tess. Come on, Flower. I want them to run, but they aren't running. Come on, guys. And there's the cute stuff. Flower. She's such a stalker. Look at her. She just keeps looking at me. Every time I come out here, this is what she does. She just looks at me and looks at me and looks at me and doesn't stop. And she's so cute. Okay. Tess! That is what happens when I whistle. It's so cute. I love it. Hi, Tess! She's so cute. Yeah, that's my ponies. And her. She comes when you call her. I love it. Hi, Tess! Hi, Tess! Hi! Hi, Tess! Bye-bye. Bye, guys! Say goodbye. Bye! And then those 2 over there. Cute ones as well. It's like Lona and Lily. Alright, bye, guys!